Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can ascend your weapons in Windrose. So the first thing that you are going to need is the weaponsmith workshop right over here. You can build that over on your build mode by pressing down B and then pressing right click. Scroll down until you reach the personal weapons and ship fittings category. And then you'll be able to find the weaponsmith workshop right over here. And if you want to upgrade this along with the shipwright's workshop, you can place down an anvil within the area of your bonfire to ultimately upgrade these two at once. Now once you have your weaponsmith workshop, and do keep in mind that it does require a roof and only works within the bonfire range. So once you place down your weaponsmith workshop, press E to use it, and over here on the top you can see the three options for create, upgrade, and then ascend. The one material that you're going to need here is the Tumbaga ingot. We have a video of how to find this, so you might want to check it out. But in case you don't, you can just find this inside ruins that are scattered about on the map, either on the first region or on the second region. Just try to open any decrepit chest or any ancient chest, and there should be a chance for this to be inside that chest. And now, if you want to know the effects of an ascension, if I hover over to my rapier of 1,000 cuts right here, there's going to be a bullet right there on the bottom that says dealing damage applies bleeding, and so on and so forth. But if I ascend this, it will add up another bullet right here where the bleed damage dealt while holding this weapon restores temporal health, basically giving you an upgrade when it comes to healing back your health whenever you're fighting down enemies. And this also applies for any guns that you have on hand. So choose any of these weapons that you want to use that will be helpful for your journey. For my journey, I'm going to ascend the rapier, and I'm also going to ascend this double-barreled pistol. And that's pretty much about it on how to ascend your weapons in Windrose.